Hi, Margaret with Vegan Raw Food, and today actually for a couple days I have been sprouting kamut, and I don't know if you can see here, they're already getting tails. This is the second day that I've been rinsing it all day. So 2 nights ago I soaked them overnight. So here is all I did. I took a cup and a half of the kamut and I fill up my jar at night. I do this at night. Fill it up with water, and I just put the jar back on and I just set it on the counter and let it soak overnight. The next morning I wake up and I take this jar off and I put them in, this is a wide mouth. I usually have a wide mouth. I just didn't have any wide mouths right here. They have all these different screens you can get. There's these two, depending on what you're sprouting, because like say you're sprouting lentils, you could sprout it with the orange one, and then if you're sprouting alfalfa seeds, you could sprout it with the yellow one, and then of course if I'm doing wheat or kamut, or there's several radish, I am using this one. So for 2 days, this is the second day, all I do in the morning, I get up and I fill it up with cold water, and then I just invert it in my sink. I have a strainer in my sink, and I just put it upside down, sideways, and then when I get home, I'll do it again, and I'll do this about 3 or 4 times during the day, every day. And this is the second day that it's been upside down sprouting. So at this point, it's ready. I'm ready to use it, and I'm going to make raw pizza crust with this. Thank you. Bye bye.